Welcome aboard. I'm Sharm Brown from the Armour and Jones service team, and today I'm talking about steering and what you do if you had an absolute steering failure. I'm going to point out one of the possible causes and how to get home safe. We're in the lazarette now, so this is the first thing I really want to show you, and that is this rose joint end here. It connects the two rudder tillers together. Now there's three of them, one of them goes off your steering ram. Now the problem with these, they get rusty, they seize, and they can split or just come apart. So this will be a good way to get major steering failure. Here's the tip. All shaft-driven Rivieras are fitted with this T-bar. It's located near your tillers. So what do you do with it? Well, you're going to have to manhandle your tillers into the straight ahead position. That's not too hard. Then, by placing this T down through this hole here, it locates in the base. Do this both sides. Go up to your throttles, take them out of sync. Now with using the port and the starboard, back and forwards on your revs, you can steer and you'll navigate your way home nice and safely. So I hope you never have to do this. Safe boating, and I'll see you next time.